Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you thorough with the topic we studied in our last class. What is the name of the chapter? Yes, the chapter name is Living Things and Non-Living Things. Is it? The chapter name is Living Things and Non-Living Things. Okay? Yes. The things are classified into two. The things are classified into two. Which are they? The things are classified into two. Which are they? Yes, living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. What is a living thing? Can you say what is a living thing? Living things are those things which have life in them. Living things are those things which have life in them. Those things which have life in them are called living things. What about non-living thing, children? Can you say what is non-living thing? Non-living things are those things which do not, stress the point, which do not have life in them. Non-living things are those things which do not have life in them. Okay. So, the things are classified into two, living things and non-living things. The things again classified into two, natural things and human-made things. What are they? Natural things and human-made things. What is a natural thing? When we go out, we can see many things around us. All the things are made by humans. Is all the things are made by humans? No. Some of the things are exist in the nature. Some things are made by nature. So, the things are again classified into two, natural things and human-made things. Natural things and human-made things. What is a natural thing? Natural things are those things which exist in the nature. Natural things are those things which exist in the nature. So all of you say with me, natural things are those things which exist in the nature. What about human-made things? The things, human-made things are those things which are made by human. Human-made things are those things which are made by human. You just need to link the heading, natural thing made by nature, human-made thing made by human. Is it clear? Natural thing made by nature, human-made thing by human. Okay. If you see a thing, how can you understand? How will you understand if it is living or non-living? How? How will you understand, children? Can you remember? How will you understand? Please respond. How will you understand? Yes, based on some special things. Based on some special thing, we can classify things into living things and non-living thing. Based on some special function, we can classify things into living things and non-living thing. The first special thing is that living things, what? Living things grow. Living things grow. Living things grow. The first special thing is that living things grow. Have you ever seen your photo when you are at 1? Now you are in 3rd standard now. You are the same in height and weight. You are the same? No, because you are grown up. Because you are grown up. So, all living things grow. All living things grow. What is this? This is a chalk. Is this chalk increase its size after 10 days or again after 10 days? No, because this is non-living. Because this is non-living. So, all living things grow. All non-living things do not grow. All living things grow. If you are hungry, what will you do? Please respond. If you are hungry, what will you do? Yes, of course, having something. Yes, is it? Having something. Yes, so all living things need food. Only food you need? Yes, also water. You need food and water. All living things need food and water. All living things need food and water. So, the second special thing is that all living things need food and water. Okay. The third special thing is that all living things breathe. What is breathing? You know what is the spelling of breathe? B-R-E-A-T-H-E. That is breathe. What is breathing? What is breathing? The intake of oxygen and the expulsion of carbon dioxide is called breathing. The intake of oxygen and expulsion of carbon dioxide is called breathing. I am going to take a deep breath. Do you want to do with me? Yes. All of you take a deep breath like this. This is breathing. All living things breathe. All living things breathe. What about non-living things? Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. So the third special thing is all living things breathe. All living things breathe. If your brother is pinching you or hitting you, what will you do? Yes, definitely you will cry, na? Is it? Yes, because you feel it. Because you feel it. Why? Because you are a human being. Because you are a human being. All human beings feel and react. All living things feel and react. All living things feel and react. We can see with our eyes, we can smell with our nose, we can taste with our tongue, we can hear with our ear. All living things can feel and react. The next special thing is that all living things feel and react. The fourth one is that all living things feel and react. Okay. All of you wave your hands like this. Just wave. We are able to move like this. We are able to move from one place to another like this, and we are able to move our entire body because we are living things. All living things move. All living things move. All living things move. All of you say with me. All living things move. Which body part helps us to move? Our hand, our eyes, our nose, our tongue? No. Our legs. Our legs helps us to move. Our legs helps us to move. Very good. Our legs helps us to move. Okay. So, the fifth feature is that all living things we already studied the first 5 features of living things. The first 5 features of living things. We can classify things into living and non-living based on certain special things. The special things are, the first one is living things grow. All of you say with me, living things grow. What is the spelling of grow? G-R-O-W. G-R-O-W. Then, all living things need food and water. All living things need food and water. The third thing is, all living things breathe. All of you just do like me. All living things breathe. What is the spelling of breathe? B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Breathe. The intake of oxygen and the expulsion of carbon dioxide is called breathing. Can you hold your nose for longer time? No. Why? Because we are living thing. We are living thing. Okay. Fourth one is all living things feel and react. All living things feel and react. When you hear a song, do you want to dance? Why? Because you are a living thing. I am going to hit this aeroplane. Will it cry? When I hit this, will it cry? Is it cry? No. Why? Because it is non-living. So, the fifth special thing is that living things feel and react. Just feel and react. Then, the fifth feature is that all living things move. All living things move. Okay. Then, today we are going to study the sixth special thing of living thing. Living things reproduce. What? Reproduce. What is that word? Reproduce. Okay. All living things reproduce. What is the spelling of reproduce? R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Reproduce. Say with me. Reproduce. What is reproduction? Reproduction is the process of producing young one or babies. The process of producing young one. You have cat in your home? The cat might have kittens. Is it? Do you like kittens? Whose young one is kitten? Yes, the young one of cat is kitten. The young one of cat is kitten, or the baby of cat is kitten. What about the dog? The young one of dog is what? You might study it in your primary lower classes. The young one of dog is puppy. Very good. The young one of dog is puppy. What about human beings? The young one of human is baby. The young one of human is baby. The young one of human is baby. So, all living things reproduce. Stress the word reproduce. What is that word? Reproduce. Reproduction is the process of producing young ones. The process of producing young ones. Have you ever seen any plant is walking with a baby? Because it is a living thing. Is it? Any plant walk like this with a baby by carrying a baby? No. New plant is formed from seed, stem, leaves, roots, etc. So, all living things reproduce. What about non-living thing? Have you ever seen any baby phone, baby book, baby computer, baby chair? No. Why? Because they are non-living. All living things reproduce. All living things reproduce. Living things reproduce in two ways. The one is, have you seen the chicken is coming from the egg? Have you ever seen chicken is coming from the egg? Yes, the animals like hen, crocodile, snakes produce young one by laying egg. Two types of reproduction is that reproduction. Two types of reproduction is that laying eggs, giving birth. Have you ever seen chicken is coming from egg? Yes, the animals like hen, crocodile, snake produce young one by laying eggs. Example, hen, snake, etc. What about giving birth? The humans, cow, dog, they giving birth to young ones. They produce young one by giving birth. Can you say the example? The first example is we, the human being. So, all living things reproduce. What about non-living things? Non-living things cannot reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Have you seen baby phone, baby book, baby computer? No, now. Why? This is because non-living things cannot reproduce. All living things reproduce. All of you say with me, reproduce. The process of producing young one is called reproduction. The process of producing young one is called reproduction. Living things reproduce in two ways, laying eggs and giving birth. Laying eggs and giving birth. Hen, snake Crocodile produce young one by laying eggs. What the humans, cow, goat produce young one by giving birth. So today we studied the first 6 features of the special things of the living things. Using this special thing, we can classify the things into living things and non-living thing. Okay, the first thing is that all living things grow. What about the second? All living things need food and water. All living things breathe. All living things move. Fifth one, all living things feel and react. The sixth one is that all living things reproduce. Today you have an activity. You have to draw the image of a cat with kittens. So, cat is also a living thing now. Cat is all living things reproduce. So, you have to draw a cat with the kittens. You have to draw a cat with kittens. Okay, thank you.